You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your finances. But remember, this is not legal or financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor or an attorney if you have questions. It's a dream for many, a vision of a life unburdened by financial stress and worries. Imagine this: no debt, money in the bank, and choices. That's financial freedom. It's about control. You control your money, not the other way around. This means you can plan for the future and live a life that aligns with your values. This isn't about being rich. It's about having enough to live comfortably and securely. It's about security and options. Imagine quitting your job to pursue a passion project. Financial freedom gives you the flexibility to make life choices that bring you joy and fulfillment. Or taking that dream vacation, it's all possible, but it takes work and a strategic approach. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that involves setting goals and staying committed. It requires planning, discipline, and knowledge. You need to understand where your money is going. This guide will show you how. We'll provide you with the tools and strategies you need to take control of your finances. We'll explore budgeting, saving, and investing. These are the building blocks of financial freedom. Are you ready to take control? It's time to take the first step towards a financially secure future. Let's start building your path to financial freedom. Together, we can turn your dream into reality. Budgeting. It sounds scary, doesn't it? The very word can make you feel overwhelmed. But in reality, it's your roadmap to financial freedom. Think of it as a guide through your financial landscape. It's about understanding where your money goes and making it work for you. First, track your expenses. This is the foundation of any good budget. Write down everything you spend for a month. Yes, everything. You'll see where your money goes. Next, create a budget. Allocate money for needs, wants, and savings. This helps you prioritize your spending. Needs are essentials, like housing and food. Wants are extras, like entertainment and dining out. Savings are crucial for your future. This is your safety net. Be realistic. Your budget should fit your lifestyle. There are many budgeting apps available to make this process easier. Find one that works for you. Experiment until you find the perfect fit. Remember, budgeting is about awareness and control. It's about making informed choices. When you know where your money is going, you can make better decisions and feel more confident. So take that first step. Start budgeting today and take control of your financial destiny. Saving is crucial for financial freedom. It's about paying yourself first. Before you spend, put money aside. Start small. Even $10 a week adds up. Set a savings goal. Having a target keeps you motivated. Open a high-yield savings account. This will help your money grow faster. Make saving automatic. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck. Don't get discouraged. Saving takes time. Be patient and consistent. Your future self will thank you. Investing is key to building wealth. It's not just for the wealthy or financial experts. Anyone can start investing with the right knowledge and mindset. It's about putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting it sit idle in a savings account, investing allows your money to grow and multiply over time. But it can feel overwhelming. The world of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can be confusing. Start with education. Understanding the basics is crucial. Learn the basics of investing. Familiarize yourself with key concepts like risk, return, and diversification. These fundamentals will guide your investment decisions. There are many resources available online and in libraries. From blogs and podcasts to books and online courses, you have a wealth of information at your fingertips. Consider low-cost index funds. They are a great option for beginners. Index funds offer a simple way to invest in a broad range of stocks, reducing risk. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Remember, investing involves risk, but over the long term, it's the best way to grow your money. Historical data shows that despite short-term fluctuations, the stock market tends to rise over time. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your money grow. Even small, consistent investments can lead to significant growth over the years. Stay patient and stay informed. Section 5, Smart Spending Habits for Financial Success. Financial freedom also requires smart spending. This doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about being mindful. Differentiate between needs and wants. Do you need that new gadget or just want it? Shop around for the best deals. Compare prices before you buy. Look for discounts and use coupons. Avoid impulse purchases. Wait 24 hours before buying something you don't need. You might change your mind. Remember, small changes in spending habits can have a big impact over time. Section 6, Building an Emergency Fund for Unexpected Events. Life is full of surprises and some aren't pleasant. An emergency fund is crucial. It covers unexpected expenses. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will give you peace of mind. Start small and gradually build it up. Keep your emergency fund separate. Don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. Having an emergency fund reduces stress. It gives you financial security during tough times. Section 7, Diversifying your investments for long-term growth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification spreads your risk. Explore different asset classes. These include stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each has different risks and rewards. Consider your time horizon. If you're young, you can take on more risk. Older investors might prefer more conservative options. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. This keeps your investments aligned with your goals. Diversification is key to long-term investment success. Section 8, Embrace the Journey. Achieving lasting financial freedom. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge your achievements along the way. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Seek advice from financial professionals. Remember, financial freedom is about more than money. It's about having choices, security, and peace of mind. Start today. Take control of your finances, embrace the journey, and enjoy the rewards of lasting financial freedom. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with someone who might need it.